amazing to do now. October 2024. Here's Juhannuskylänkatu for staircase. We have also finished staircase here. It's also here in Tampere, for speaking of Finland in the city center, next to the main cathedral. It's on floors, but unfortunately the basement floor is locked off. And unfortunately in the cab, the buttons are replaced with generics, but in the staircase A, all the buttons are original still. But still two rights because it's otherwise still original.
Yeah.
It was built in 1968, December 16214.
His state by device maintained by Schindler.
No memory. But, yes, but yeah.
Of course it has original memory.
Yeah, but it's those buttons are just not nice.
Yeah.
And there is no one in the staircase here.
Yeah.
Release the pop-out buttons in the cab are original again.
Yeah. That